Hey, I just bought the Swagman bike rack for my RAV4, and I just had a new hitch put on there at U-Haul. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is from the box, and I will have videos all the way through installation. Okay, so this is everything out the box. I gotta be honest with you. The very first thing I grabbed out the box was this. And I'm like, oh gosh, I'm gonna spend the afternoon putting this thing together. But this is pretty straightforward. These are the screws and obviously the installation stuff for it. Okay, it's fully assembled, and I'm going to show you a couple things about it before I put it on the car. Just going to pick it up. It probably only weighs like 30 pounds. Not that hard to pick up. Okay, this is what it looks like before you spread it. I want to point out a couple things. You see that right there? This is the little push-in button that you do to move these handles up. So I'm going to show you how it works. This goes down. Down. Then when you put these on, you press that little button in, and that slides up and down so you can put it on the lowest part of your bike. And it's got a little ratchet set right here, just like on the old-fashioned jacks.